Hello friends, welcome to Speak with Jagdish. This channel will help you learn spoken English easily with simple tricks, daily sentences and full confidence. Do you wanna speak English fluently but you feel shy, nervous or scared of mistakes? Don't worry. Today I'll tell you simple tips to learn spoken English at home without coaching and without fear. Tip 1. Start speaking to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself every day. Stand in front of mirror and say, "Good morning. How are you? Today I feel happy." Mistakes are allowed. Confidence is important. Tip 2. Think in English. Stop translating from Hindi to English. Think simple English sentences like I am hungry, I'm going to market, I like this song. Thinking in English is equal to fast speaking. Tip 3. Use daily English words. Use English in daily life while eating, while walking, while using phone. Example, I am eating food. I am watching a video. Small sentences, big improvement. Tip 4. Listen more, speak more. Listen to English videos, short movies, spoken English reels. Repeat what you hear. Copy pronunciation. Listening makes your speaking strong. Tip 5. Don't fear mistakes. Remember one thing, no mistake is equal to no learning. Even foreigners make mistakes, so speak freely, speak daily, and speak confidently. If you can speak your mother tongue, you can speak English too. Just start today, right now. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Speak with Jagdish for more spoken English tips and daily practice.